Normally, my artworks do come with sketches. This time, I didn't made a pre-sketch before starting to create this character, and I mainly use inspiration from like songs and based on the theme that I normally would expect from a character of this type. I kind of went with the feeling. I did eventually end up doing a sketch, which I'm gonna also add later on as a separate thing of at least the clothing, but it was only for the clothing. Other than that, was my own idea of and vision of how I wanted the character to be. And for the colors, I use vast contrast between each other just to see what I was working with, depending on the object of or part of the design. I would either use a lighter color, brighter, or a more dark and muted. And I constantly switch up between either working with different elements and seeing what worked and what didn't. I have done previous drawings with paint. One of my favorite ones actually came exactly from paint, and I just really had a lot of fun drawing it. So that's why I decided to make another one. Although for this one, I didn't have 6 hours. I only could record until 2. Actually, it went to 3. But if I continue, my computer would have exploded, so I had to rush a little bit of these. But I'm still proud of what came out of just 2 hours of working, editing, and could I have planned better for it? Yeah, but I also don't work like that normally. I work better with the pressure and just constantly shifting, I guess. But yeah, I did end up still looking out for a couple of references, especially because on this part the arm just seemed weird, and it wasn't until like I made the pose myself that I figured out the angle that I had originally was wrong. So yeah, here I am fixing it, and I don't know why, but I just love this type of like working with different colors, and I actually got really interested of uh, making drawings in paint when I saw somebody else do it. It was a small creator. I don't think they I have seen like pixelated art before, but I just really love how the process works. So yeah, I decided to make that as my final drawing for the semester. But yeah, it was particularly fun to make the scarf that goes around his neck. I always love drawing the scarf. I don't know why. I just making realistic dripping clothes is like one of the main things I've been working this entire um I wouldn't say semester since I've been doing it since college, but I just really love drawing clothes. Although this is the first time that I draw a corset though. And I just added a couple of details of that I thought they will look really cool. Small design mostly because I didn't have that much time, but still. And here I am giving the final couple of touches, uh, defining where the light is hitting and where is the edge of the clothes. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite part.